Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Command Prompt as administrator. This lets you change network interfaces. Once done, run Netch interface show interface to list adapters. You need the exact wireless interface name shown, so write it down or copy it. Make sure you're not on a critical remote session, because disabling Wi-Fi will drop it. Now that you have the adapter name, you're ready to execute the command that actually turns off the wireless interface. You will now disable the adapter. Type Netch interface set interface, Wi-Fi admin equals disabled using the exact name you recorded. Press enter. If the name has spaces or special characters, keep the quotes. Once executed, run Netch interface show interface to confirm the state reads disabled for that adapter. If you need to re-enable later, you'll use Netch interface set interface, Wi-Fi admin equals enabled. This approach directly tells Windows you finish by verifying connectivity is off. Try pinging an external site to confirm no wireless route exists. If you must restore connectivity, re-enable with Netch interface set interface, Wi-Fi admin equals enabled. If the command fails, make sure command prompt is running as administrator and that you type the adapter name exactly. Also check Device Manager for driver problems, update or roll back the driver if the adapter won't disable. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves permission or naming errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.